Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure your Snapchat account is verified and two-step authentication is accessible on your phone. Once done, open a modern browser and allow camera and microphone access. You need them for calls and chats. Next, choose the web login option and prepare to authenticate. You will either scan a QR with the Snapchat mobile app or enter the code sent to your phone. Do this now so you can move straight into the chat environment without delays. Once authenticated, you complete the core setup by granting permissions, camera, mic, and notifications, so messages, video, and alerts work seamlessly. Next, load your friends list and use the search field to find the person you want a message. Click their name to open the chat pane. You can type, send stickers, or start a video call. If you want video, hit the camera icon and confirm the device selection. Make sure to check audio levels and camera preview before initiating the call. Finish by sending your message or snap and end any call when you're done. Always log out, especially on shared computers. If something goes wrong, first confirm camera and mic permissions and try toggling them off and on, then reload the page. If messages or media won't send, clear the browser cache and cookies or re-authenticate with your phone. This often resolves sync and login errors. If problems persist, restart your browser and then sign in again to re-establish a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.